The solar system is a collection of celestial objects, including the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other space debris that are bound together by gravity. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy and consists of various components, with the sun at its center. Here is an overview of the main components of the solar system, the sun. The sun is a massive, extremely hot ball of gas at the center of the solar system. It provides light and heat to the entire system and is essential for the existence of life on Earth. Planets. There are 8 recognized planets in the solar system, listed in order of their distance from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune moons, or natural satellites. Many of the planets in the solar system have moons that orbit around them. Earth's moon, for example, is one of the most well-known natural satellites. Asteroids. These are rocky or metallic objects that orbit the sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt, which is located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Comets. Comets are composed of dust, ice, and rocky material. They have highly elliptical orbits that take them close to the sun at times, causing them to develop a glowing coma and a visible tail. Dwarf planets. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet in region. Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a hypothetical distant region surrounding the solar system where comets are believed to originate. It is a vast spherical shell of icy bodies. The solar system is a dynamic and complex system, with each celestial object interacting with others through the force of gravity. It has been the subject of extensive scientific research and exploration, with missions sent to various planets and objects to better understand its composition, history, and the possibility of life beyond Earth.